kwento, basta't sa'yo lang ako. Araw-araw mong napapansin, pag-iwas mo sa akin, di malaman ang gagawin. Sabihin mo sa akin ang iyong tunay na hangarin, wag na wag mo lang isipin, may karibal ka sa akin.
Ibibigay kong todo, mahirapan man ako upang mapatunayan ako'y tapat sa'yo.
Sana'y maniwalaan na kay mahal ko, at wag mo lang sabihin ako. Bababaero, bababaero, bababaero daw ako. Sino may sabi, magkakating labi, di naman totoo. Babaero, bababaero, bababaero daw ako. Sino may sabi, magkakating labi, di naman totoo. Sabihin mo sa akin ang iyong tunay na hangarin, wag na wag mo lang isipin, may karibal ka sa akin.
Five, six, seven.
Sabihin mo sa akin ang iyong tunay na hangarin, wag na wag mo lang isipin, may karibal ka sa akin. Bababaero, bababaero, bababaero daw ako. Sino may sabi, magkakating labi, di naman totoo. Bababaero, bababaero, bababaero daw ako. Sino may sabi, magkakating labi, di naman totoo. Bababaero.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's time to perform.
We are going to perform to the masses.
My family,
We'll perform to the masses. Right now, we will perform
my
to the
family,
masses.
they was the one who helped me perform to the masses.
I'm like to perform for the masses. Oh wait,
My
no sunglasses.
family,
Tago sunglasses.
my family, they was the one.
Is your family part of the masses?
The family is not the part of the masses. The family has mass, but not the part of the masses. So please, pray the rosary. Pero for as long as front door flesh. Front door flesh. Bababahero.
We should do that at the end.
Bumukan kayo.
No, at the end. This is what we do. Remember that? Diba it fades? You know how it
Yeah.
fades? Ba-ba-ba-pero, ba-ba-ba-pero. Do?
Sige.
Do?
Game.
Mix at the end. We're gonna pose
We'll
like,
flex.
but then go into.
Oh my God!
Ready na. Pagpasok nyo, ang start ng performance yung pagpasok dito.
Ay, may dala. Ready na.
Okay. Can I just hold my lyrics? Okay na.
Okay, guys.
I'll just, mine I'm just gonna be.
Yeah,
Sir,
pero ako
regalo ko sa'yo.
pagpasok
Merry
ko,
Christmas.
pagpasok ko,
Where will they sit?
Ang daming ibibigay kasi.
Where do we go
living
to?
room. Ang position nyo, you perform under the plasma. Under the plasma.
They'll come to us na rin. Excuse me lang.
Nakaupo sila sa
Hello.
living room. Nakaupo sila sa living room.
Ano, sir?
Nakaupo sila sa living room.
Ngayon?
Oo. Tago niyo yung mga shades niyo. Part of your performance is your entrance from here, ah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, i-cue nyo yung MCR, ah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tapos cue nyo silang kailan kayo papasok, ha?
Sige, sir.
Okay, front.
Gusto kay mami, gano'n.